Hello everyone. Today we got our hands on this brilliant piece of audio recording equipment, the Zoom H1. As you can see, I bought this from Amazon for a price of 6,100 as part of the Amazon Prime Day sale. It's a brilliant piece of audio recording equipment directly imported from the USA. It's got this branding, see, Zoom H1, and if you can see close, it's written the net quantity and the MRP, the month and year, all of those. If you can see, the price is given as 7,999. 7,999, and I got this for a price of 6,099 as part of the Amazon Prime Day sale, and it is sold by Cloudtail India, which is the most popular seller on Amazon store. So this is all the box. This is the box. This is the Zoom H1 which I got, and it came in a pretty decent packaging also. I got this is the box in which I got my packaging. It's a nice box. It's a nice box. It's a pretty fair, decent box we've got here. Okay, so let's see, it's written, it comes with a pre-equipped software called Steinberg, CubeSL, Wavelab, LE. It's called the Zoom branding. It also comes with a 2 GB micro SD card included for your storage options. So let's just quickly unbox and see what lies in this beauty. It's written, if you look, it's written, we are for creators. Wow, that's beautiful. And wow, would you look at that? Beautiful. Wow. Just gotta say, it's the SD card, the usage precautions and all are given. So what is given, and the device itself, Zoom H1, it's in the palm of my hands. Wow, just gotta say, it's absolutely brilliant. The XY microphones for getting omnidirectional sound. It's the H1 and the recorder. Big button, just press it, you can record it. So I'll just quickly open this. Wow, look at that beauty. Zoom H1. As you can see, it's given the line out, line in, the volume buttons, everything is there. It's nice. It's got yellow cut, off, on, auto level, off, on, recording format, everything is there. It's got a serial number also. And that's where the headphone jack goes in. And it's got a mic, built-in mic, but I would usually recommend you guys to buy another lavalier microphone, which is the collar mic which is available. I think generic would do. You get it for around 415 rupees from Amazon. Or if you can purchase a high-end one, I would suggest you to go for the Rode Smart Lav Plus. It's absolutely amazing. Omnidirectional, picks less wind sound, and when coupled with this beauty, it's gonna give you something else. So, and we'll see. So this is it. We'll see what's in the rest of the box. Rest of the box, we've got a battery, nothing else. It's just the battery. The Maxell alkaline battery, that is what is here, positive and negative. And you just need to put it inside this and you're ready to go. I'll do another video to show you how the sound quality of the Zoom H1 is, but that's all for the unboxing video. I'll keep you posted on how the performance of this Zoom terrific device. Please go for it if you are into YouTube recording for your videos, and it's absolutely magnificent. It's portable. You can record lectures during class, you can do your online tuition, tutorial, whatever, and brilliant stereo studio sound quality assured in this Zoom H1. If you have some kind of pro editing audio software, you can see that the levels, the amplitude, the frequency, everything is just top notch. The pitch levels, absolutely amazing. And if you have a software like Audacity, you can absolutely nail any kind of video. Any kind of your YouTube video is gonna be great. Even if you lack in like video quality, or if you don't have a great DSLR or something, I would suggest you to go for good audio, because that will keep your listeners posted. It will engage the listeners. So that's it. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.